Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I baked this fruited cake for wedding. Very yummy. This cake tastes so amazing. This is an upgraded recipe you will love, and I know if you try it you'll come back to thank me in the letter. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely channel by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video, so that if I drop any new video you will get an alert. Seriously, subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to give me some thumbs up so that other people will be able to see this video and like it as well. And feel free to ask questions and feel free to comment. Thanks. Let's start. Ingredients for this fruited cake. You can see I'll be using 50 eggs for this fruited cake. My margarine, I'll be using 2.5 kgs of margarine. Sugar, 1.6 kgs of sugar. Baking powder, 5 tablespoons of baking powder. My brownie as desired. My golden syrup, 5 tablespoons. Butterscotch, 5 tablespoons. That's butterscotch flavor, 5 tablespoons. Cinnamon, I'll be using cinnamon, 4 tablespoons. My black charcoal, 5 tablespoons. I'll be using my vanilla flavor, 5 tablespoons. And this is my nutmeg, 4 tablespoons. This is my fruit I've soaked with alcohol before now, so you can soak for months, for weeks before you use. The flour, I have my flour. I have 2.7 kgs of flour. So that is all for this recipe. I'll also be using lemon zest for this recipe. Just the back of the lemon, you grate it, we'll be using for this recipe. Also my corn flour, I'm going to remove 10 tablespoons of flour and replace it with 10 tablespoons of corn flour to make my cake flour. So add in your butter. This is my margarine. I'm using margarine. This is Ma's Choice margarine. That's what I'm using. So feel free to try out any margarine of your choice. I think this is a carton butter. I love it so much. It's easy to cream, and the outcome is amazing also. So add into your bowl. I'll use my piston to turn a little before I add in my sugar. If you have a bigger mixer you can use, but me, I prefer using my hands when it comes to wedding cake. Add in your sugar and you start creaming. You'll cream until it's looking pale. You can stop. It was not easy creaming this butter and sugar. It wasn't easy. I creamed a little. I have to go and look for a guy to use his muscles. This is the main thing in baking. So if you can cream your butter, every other thing is just missing all over. And that is all straight to your oven. This is the main work. Here is my lemon, so I'm grating out the back. This is a very special preservative that you can use, and it gives your cake a very special flavor that you cannot even buy from the market. This is a natural flavor you get from this lemon zest. You can see my butter and sugar has already turned pale. men than their muscles. You can see he's doing it very well. It is not an easy work. Okay, my lemon zest are out, so adding of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of baking powder, sieving and mixing everything in. Please, it's very important you sieve your flour. Very important. I've already sieved my flour. I've removed my 10 tablespoons of flour and replaced with 10 tablespoons of my cornstarch or corn flour. Okay, it's time to break the eggs in a separate bowl, one after the other, to avoid any bad one. They're very, very important. My margarine and sugar is ready. You can see it's looking so fluffy, looking so pale, creamy. Okay, my 50 eggs are down. Can these 50 eggs, so just like that. So just take your time. You don't need to allow it to foam, not now. So just take your time and whisk a little, and you start adding other liquid ingredients and start. Adding my vanilla flavor, that's dark vanilla flavor, 5 tablespoons. My golden syrup, the same thing, 5 tablespoons. The same thing with my butterscotch, 5 tablespoons. The same thing with my black charcoal, 5 tablespoons. This butterscotch. All the liquids has entered. Okay, last I'll add my brownie and take my time to mix. Brownie is as you desire. You can add a drop, you can add more. As you add, you check. If you're okay with the color, you can stop. So my liquid ingredients are ready. So likewise, the dry ingredients are also ready. So at this junction, I've creamed my pans with margarine and dusted them with flour. So I've on my oven. I've started preheating my oven. So right now it's time to start mixing. A little of dry ingredients, a little of wet ingredients, a little of wet ingredients, and a little of dry ingredients. You incorporate. Take your time to incorporate. both my dry ingredients and wet ingredients has entered. So now I added my cinnamon, nutmeg and lemon zest. So incorporate them before I add my fruits. I'm adding my fruits last. So take your time to incorporate them together, and I'll add my fruit, my soaked fruit. A lot of people do ask, do you remove the alcohol in the fruit? Do you sieve it out? No, I pack everything right inside. The alcohol is just like the juicy part of it. It helps it to preserve your wedding cake. So why will you sieve it out? The flavor has already entered inside the alcohol, the fruit flavor. So why will I pour it away? Everything enters right inside. All the taste, every right inside. You'll not even notice it. If you're not okay with the color, you can go ahead and add more brownie to it to make the color look more brown. My cake batter is ready. This cake batter is looking so amazing. Oh, see the color. Oh, who wants to eat wedding cake? This cake batter is looking at the point I felt the mixing was not able to get to the down part of the bowl, so I have to use a wooden stick to try. Wow, everything is okay, everything is fine. So it's time to share everything out into my pan. Start sharing. As I share, I tap on the table to close up air bubbles. My oven is well preheated at this moment, so as I'm sharing and tapping on the table to close up air bubbles, I'm taking straight to the oven so that I can bake. Some were ready at 50 minutes, while some at 35 minutes. Finally, all the cakes are ready. Looking so beautiful. Please like this video. Give me some thumbs up. Like my video, my hands on it. Like my video, give me some thumbs up so that other people will see this video and enjoy it as well. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks. Bye bye.